threading too painful and unsafe? Your skin sensitivity played a big role. So, no threading, it's not something to fear, it's just something that needs to be done right. No dragging, no unnecessary pulling.
A lot of people say waxing is better. But is it really?
Lightly wet the thread, smooth pull, less pain.
Threading makes some people nervous. But here is the truth.
Have you ever left salon thinking, wow, my brows look perfect? But later, they feel uneven. Suddenly, you're not happy with the results. You doubt, is threading too painful and unsafe? Or is waxing the better choice? Still confused because threading feels uncomfortable? You're not alone. Stay with me in this episode of Threading, Risky or Safe. The truth you need to know. This is nothing like Nikita, beauty simplified in 5 minutes. Real, honest, no fluff. Breaking myths, bringing beauty back to basics. Facts, tips, clarity. That's it. I'm Nikita D'Souza from India, now in the UK, on the ground with valued clients, creating impactful results with 10 plus years in beauty. Trust me, I have seen it all. My skills, my story, my dream. Right here, right now. Together, let's explore beauty like never before.
Is threading really painful? Let's be honest. Threading makes some people nervous. But here is the truth. Threading is not extremely painful. It feels like small fast pinches. That's all. But if you are new to it, yes, you might feel a small sting, a quick sensation that fits.
But two things
Truly make all the difference.
they define the comfort or discomfort in threading. First, the technique of your therapist. Second, your skin sensitivity. Let's focus first on the technique. Professional therapists will guide you, ask you to hold your skin tight, move the thread with control and care, no dragging, no unnecessary pulling, just smooth, sharp line. With expert therapists, it's done quick and easy.
Now let's look at something very important like skin sensitivity.
Just like every beauty treatment, your skin sensitivity played a big role. Some of you might feel more sensitivity during threading, and that's completely normal. Your skin is unique, it is simply adapting to the treatment. So, why does this happen? Skin thickness, skin hydration levels, product buildup like creams, oils, or gel. Together, these factors can influence your skin sensitivity.
But remember, skin sensitivity is completely normal. And the good news, the more you thread, the easier it gets. Hair gets finer and your skin feels soft and healthy.
What makes threading even more special? It is the oldest and most natural way to remove hair. No chemicals, no machines, just cotton thread and 100% human skill. Because threading is not just a skill, it's discipline, focus, and commitment. A technique passed down through generations and nothing has replaced it. Threading stands the test of time. Threading is the heart of beauty. Traditional, trusted, timeless, and it's here to stay.
A quick tips for comfortable threading.
Tell your therapist, my skin is sensitive. This help you to stay comfortable. Start clean, no creams, no oil, no gel. Dry or sensitive skin, ask for smoothing gel like aloe vera gel.
Use fresh, clean, soft thread. It means smooth, precise results.
Lightly wet the thread, smooth pull, less pain. After threading, no makeup, no sun for just 4 to 5 hours. Speak up if it's pain. A good therapist will adjust the technique.
But wait, I know a lot of people say waxing is better. But is it really? When is waxing the right choice? Do you think it's a better option?
In the next episode, we dive into waxing good results or deep regret. Only on Nothing Like Nikita, giving your skin the 5 minutes it truly deserves. Until then, watch, learn, and glow.